my dears, I am Pooja P. Nambiyar, 9th standard student, 10th standard student of IMNS GHSS Smile with you. I have already told in the last session, now I am in 10th. In my previous sessions, I was used to take 9th standard lessons. Now that academic year is over, now in 10th. So I just started the 10th standard live sessions yesterday. Now I am continuing it. Hope you all remember which chapter we are discussing. Which is that? Yes, the first chapter of our mathematics arithmetic sequence. Before entering to the session, I have to say you something. As you all know, lastly I used to take 9th standard sessions and it helped me to be a Indian world record holder. And now I'm planning to improve my live sessions and all. Clarity a bit means it's not much clear because of it is a live session, and as I'm taking mainly during night, that is why the clarity is decreasing. Otherwise, if you are just shooting and all, the clarity will be increased. But my point is to present all it by live itself. Okay, that is why I'm appearing in front of you like this. And I have started a YouTube channel a year ago, and now I just plan to upload my live videos also in that. My brother is also now taking 9th standard session as he is in 9th, and he have started yesterday itself. He is shooting as video, not as live, so we are uploading that. My yesterday's live session is already available in YouTube. Okay, after this live, I will add that in my description box, the link of my YouTube channel, along with that the link of yesterday's video. So please visit this live and like, share and comment your valuable opinions, suggestions, anything that is very much for me. Okay, I hope all of you will support. Along with that, please visit my YouTube channel also, and if you like, please subscribe and encourage me and help me to reach 1K soon. If I have 1K subscribers, then I will be able to stream live on YouTube also. Okay, so I think if I have that much, then I can be balanced, and now YouTube viewers are increasing. That is why I just plan to do so. If I just do so, then I think then no need of separate taking live. I have found an app which is very useful for streaming live in both FB and YT at this time. So I am trying to that, but now I only have 64 subscribers. Hope all of you will help me to reach soon. Please share this video. Please, being a little sister of you all, I think that you will help me. And also what to say is, yes, that time, now I am taking live, then downloading that video, then posting that. So many time lapse is there. If I am able to stream live on both, it will be more convenient to me. Okay, hope you will help. So, as an intro, I have taught all these things. It's my humble request. Now we can step into our chapter, arithmetic sequence. So we were discussing about sequences in the last session. Hope you all remember that. Sequence means arranging of numbers or objects in a certain manner or in a certain order. That is said to be a sequence. If you are arranging even numbers, then it is a sequence, because we get that sequence by arranging those numbers in a special manner. Means numbers adding two like that. Okay, so in this manner we can create so many sequences. Okay, and there is some conditions to say that this is an arithmetic sequence. A sequence is said to be an arithmetic sequence under certain conditions. We will move to that. Before that, I have to go through some textual activities. Now I don't have my own textbook. I just downloaded a PDF one. Okay, and I hope I can move on like this without any trouble. I will borrow textbook from my brother very soon, and also language textbook arrange to arrange all those. I don't have any problem. So I will be able to continue that. If I have all 4 books, then after I can borrow other subject books from my brother, or by that self distribution from school itself will start. Okay, anyway that doesn't matter. So I have just gone through that, and I'm only discussing mainly textual activities. Okay. So I'm taking in selfie mode. Even though tripod is there, still some shakes may occur, because when I will show you the board, that time shakes may occur. Anyway, I think you are able to see a picture here. This is not an approximate. This is just an approximate. This is just a rough image. Here, this I mentioning that this is a square, and this is another square drawn by joining the midpoints of the square. Okay, you may have confusion that is this such a figure. That is, I just drawn it as a rough one. Okay, rough figures also should attain a maximum understanding process. Okay, but here I have a small problem with marker, and I am now using sketch pen, which makes some marks on the board. Okay, as the lockdown ended, my markering is about to, no, it is empty now. The marker ink is not now here, so that is why I am taking like this. But anyway, no problem. Even though I am writing in board, that is not much clear for you. So vocally try to understand. Okay. So here we can see a square, and inside another square by joining the midpoints of the first square. So we can name the square as A, this as B. Okay, I will show you the board at last. Now just listen me. Okay. So A and B. Like that, actually this is a sequence. Okay. Firstly, drawing a square. We are again drawing a square by taking same measures that of this one, and inside that we are drawing a square by joining the midpoints. Again a square joining the midpoints, and again drawing a square inside that by joining the midpoints. Like that we have to continue this. Okay, the question is, if the squares having these all sides, means the question I am just going through that. If the squares having sides goes in a sequence, then their perimeter and area also follows a sequence. That is the point. So here, what will be the area of all these squares? Means this one and this inside one and this inside one. Okay, how will be the area of all these squares, and will it form a sequence if it continues like this? Okay, this is the first figure, this is the second figure, this is the third figure. Okay, so now I have to show you the board. Wait a sec. Okay. Here this is the first square. Having sides 1 centimeter, so its area will be, yes, 1 centimeter square. That of second one, here you can see that this is the square drawn inside the square having area 1 centimeter square. So if we are asked to calculate the area of this square, then we have to, if we check the diameter here, you can understand that this will be of 1 centimeter. Because joining these 2 points, okay, so these 2 diagonals will be of 1 centimeter itself. So what is the equation for finding out the area of a square using its diameter? Yes, half d square. That is half into 1 square, which is half itself. Okay, in the next case it will be 1 by 4. Okay, so here you can see it is decreasing. Means if the diagonal this is 1, then this will be half. Okay, so like that it is decreasing here. Okay. So here what is the area of all this one? This is of 1 centimeter square. This is of this is of 1 by 4 or quarter centimeter square. So in this manner it is moving on. Does it form a sequence? Of course it forms a sequence because the area is decreasing by half. So this is also a sequence, a uniformity is there. Here the areas are arranged in a certain manner. So here 1, 2, 3. These two squares means this one and this one. Is the sides of these three are in a sequential manner. Along with that the area is also in a sequence. Okay. Hope you understood how to understand these facts. Okay. So here all three, if this squares, if we draw squares like this, again drawing one more square inside this, inside that, like that, if it continues, the areas of these squares will be in a sequence. Okay. In the last session we have familiarized ourselves with such a problem where the sides of the square was increasing, here the sides is decreasing. Okay. So we have understood that any square means squares having sides in a sequential manner follows a sequence in their perimeter as well as in their area. Okay, keep that thing in your mind. So now we have understood these factors. Now some more textual activities are there. We can go through that. Wait a second. Okay, next question in your textbook. I have noted down all in this notebook as I told, and if I keep the PDF format that will be a bit difficult for me, so I am using my notebook itself. Next question is like this. I will draw certain things. Even though it is a mirror reflection, it will be easy to grasp. 1, 2, 3. Next one. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next. Okay, hope you understood how this pattern is moving on. Okay, I am just joining this. No need of joining, but I am just doing that for understanding. Okay, because it is in the board and I don't know how much clarity is there for this figure. Okay, here actually what is happening? Firstly, we are constructing certain pyramids or just triangles. Okay, we can say triangles. Okay, here this is not a 3D shape or not a prism like that. So, here we are constructing triangles using beads. In the first case, we are using 3 beads. So, first one in the top, next 2 in the bottom. Again repeating this process with the 6 beads. That time first one top, 2 in the middle part and the 3. So here the number of beads are increasing as we move to downwards. So here 3, here 6, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So hope you can see all these things. Here the question is asked us, if this process repeat like this, whether it forms a sequence or not. Firstly, the number of beads we can look. 3. Here it is 6. Here it is 10. Okay, I will show you the board once. So here 3. Here 6. Here 10. So we are continuing this process, and it is asked whether this will create a sequence or not. Firstly, we can look what is the difference here. 6 minus 3, 3. 10 minus 6, 4. So, is that, in that manner, can we say it is in a sequence? No, the difference is not common throughout. Don't know what to do. Here, we can just look. Here, 1 bead is there. Here, 2 bead is there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. process is moving on. Okay, here 1 bead is there, 2 bead is there. Together 3. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. In turn making a sum of 10. Like that, the triangle construction is moving on. So if we are constructing one more one, here 1 bead will be there, then 2, followed by 3, followed by 4, followed by 5. Then what will be the total sum? Yes, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will be 15. And next one, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. Like that is moving. So here plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, like that it is moving on. Okay, generally what is the difference here? If we are asked to find out the 100th term and all, we may face bit difficult because it is starting with a plus 3. Okay, not in plus 1 or like that. So, a big difference, difficulty will be there. Okay, there is an equation to find out these all things. Okay, if you are asked to add consecutive numbers, okay, then what we have to do is, firstly, we have to find the product of the first number, the last number into last number plus 1, and then we have to find its half. Okay, I will show you in the board. Wait a second. Wait a second, please. So, here if it is asked to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus and going on like plus 100. If this is asked, how can we do that? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus like that moving up to 100. We have to find out. How we can find the sum here? Adding 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus, and in between one confusion again 1 plus, like that it is a complicated process. Is there any simplest way there? Of course there is one. Okay, I am just writing it in the board, then after I will show you. Okay, now I am showing you the board. Sorry, lap is there because I am taking in selfie mode. Now that is why. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus like that up to 100. This is our question. Okay, here 1 plus 2. What is the answer? We know it is 3. Okay, here we can add it simply. And we can say that this 3 is the product of the last number of this sequence, which is 2, and that of the number which is gained by adding 1 plus the last number, that is 2 into 3. 2 is the last number and into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2 gives us 3. Like that, if we are doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, we will get 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. In another manner, 4 last number into last number plus 1 by 2. That is 4 into 4 plus 1. That is 5. So 4 into 5, 20 by 2, 10. So in this manner we can find out, isn't it? So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like that. So the last term here is 100 into 100 plus 1. 10100 by 2. Okay, so in this manner we can find out. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3, like that if we are adding this, and if it is 1 to 20, then it is 20 into 21 by 2. That is 210 by 2, which is equal to, which is equal to 105. Okay, in this manner, okay, if we are asked to find the sum of numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 20. No need of adding all these things. Just do this operation. Last number into last number plus 1 by 2, or the half of the product of the last number into last number plus 1, that is 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2, that is 20 into 21 by 2. 20 into 21 by 2, that is equal to 21 by 2, that is 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 420 by 2, which is equal to 110. Okay, so if it is up to 10, then what we have to do? 10 into 11 by 2. 10 into 11? What is 10 into 11? 110 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 55. Like this manner, we can find out. Okay, so if we are asked to do like this, then we can complete this. Okay, back to the triangle problem. Okay, if these beads are arranged in such a manner, it is said to be in a sequence because the numbers we are acquiring there is based on an equation, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. On that manner, means n indicates the last number, n plus 1 indicates last number plus 1, and its half, that is, yes, the equation. In this manner, based on this rule, that sequence is moving on. Okay, it's the basis n into n plus 1 by 2. Based on this manner, the sequence is moving on. Okay, hope you got that point. Next question given is, write the sequence of numbers which leaves remainder 1 on dividing by 3. Okay, I am not using board now because it will be much difficult you to see that. So I am just saying, if we are asked to find out certain numbers which leaves a remainder x or any particular number on dividing by any particular number, then what we have to do is, firstly we have to find out the multiples of the number. Means if we are dividing numbers by 7, then what we have to do? Firstly we have to look which are the multiples of 7. Which are they? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 54. Like that it may move on. Okay, so here first we have understood the multiples of 7. The question is, which are the numbers which leaves remainder 2 on dividing by 7? So here 7. First multiple is 7. So 7 plus 2. Okay, the remainder should be added with that number. So 7 plus 2, 9. So 9, we are dividing 9 and 7. That time remainder will be 2. Again, next number we can say 14 plus 2, that is 16. 21 plus 2, 23. 28 plus 2, 30. So here what is the question? Write some numbers which leaves remainder 1 on dividing by 3. Multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 8, 15, 18, like that. So what is the remainder? 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 1, 10. Like this, all these numbers leaves remainder 1 on dividing by 3. So if you are asked to form their sequence, then simply, yes, 4, then 7, then 10, then yes 13, like that it may move on. Okay, so what is the basis of that sequence? Yes, n into 3 plus 1. Okay, so in that manner that sequence may move on. Okay, hope you understood how to do that. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ശരിക്കും മനസ്സിലാക്കിയ കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്തെല്ലാണ്? നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ മനസ്സിലാക്കി ഒരു സമചതുരത്തിന്റെ വശങ്ങൾ ഒരു ശ്രേണി രൂപത്തിൽ മുന്നോട്ട് പോവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ സമചതുരത്തിന്റെ പരപ്പളവും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ചുറ്റളവും ഒരേ ശ്രേണിയിൽ മീൻസ് ഒരേ ശ്രേണിയിൽ നിന്നല്ല ഒരു ശ്രേണിയിൽ തന്നെ മുന്നോട്ട് പോകും. അപ്പോൾ അത് തെളിയിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ചോദ്യം കൂടി നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ചെയ്തു നോക്കി. അതിനുശേഷം ശ്രേണിയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് ഒരുപാടെന്നല്ല കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മുടെ ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ തന്നെയുള്ള കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ പരിചയപ്പെട്ടു. അപ്പോൾ ആ കൂട്ടത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ തുടർച്ചയായിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് സംഖ്യകൾ തന്നിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ആകെ തുക കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ചോദിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിലെ അവസാന സംഖ്യയും അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഒന്ന് കൂട്ടി അതിൻ്റെ രണ്ടിൻ്റെയും ഗുണനഫലം കണ്ടിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ പകുതി എടുത്താൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? അതിൻ്റെ ആകെ തുക ലഭിക്കും. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി ഒരു ശ്രേണി ഉണ്ടാവാൻ ഇന്ന സംഖ്യ കൂട്ടിപ്പോകണമെന്നല്ല, പല രീതിയിൽ ഒരു ശ്രേണി നമുക്ക് ഉണ്ടാകാം. ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലായി ഇപ്പം തൊട്ട് മുമ്പ് പറഞ്ഞത് അതാ സീക്വൻസ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുന്നത്? യെസ്, n into n minus 1 n into n plus 1 by 2. ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത ചോദ്യം അത് പോകുന്നത് അതെ ആ നമ്മൾ n into 3 plus 1 or plus any number like that it is moving on. So there is no in many means we can form a sequence. Okay, so now we have understood or we have had a clear idea regarding sequence, how to form a sequence and all. So I think now we are ready to look what is an arithmetic sequence. We can look what is that in the next session. So hereby our live session is going to end. I will surely post this video by tomorrow in YouTube because I have to have high net, then only I will be able to download this video to gallery, then to share to YouTube. A long process, and if there is no net, I will not be able to upload it so fastly. So hope you all will like, share and comment if you like this one, and also don't forget to visit my YT and please subscribe. I want to reach 1k soon. I'm just requesting. Now we are 64. Now I have to attain 1k subscribers so that I can come live in YouTube. Okay, that is why I'm asking you. Please share, please. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the session well. We can meet in the next session, that is by tomorrow, with the topic arithmetic sequence. Okay, till then, good night and stay safe. It's me, Pooja P. Nambia, signing off.